Listen to this Subaru. I'm doing an idle relearn procedure, and this thing's making popping sounds and everything like there's the biggest vacuum leak in the world on the intake manifold. I already found a big vacuum leak in the intercooler on the hose going between the intercooler to the throttle body, but apparently it's just like everything on TV. But wait, there's more! More leaks, more bullshit, more crap on this damn Subaru than I've ever dealt with in any other fucking car in my existence. This car is an utter piece of shit. Subaru, you should be ashamed for designing shit boxes like this. Listen to that. Popping sounds. This thing's still broken, I gotta fix it.